And let us take a look at this question over here. So with this question, it says that if x is a quarter of its supplementary angle, find x. So if x is a quarter of its supplementary angle, so what do we know about supplementary angles? So supplementary angles are angles that sum up to 180 degree. So examples, I can have maybe 100 degree and 80 degree. These two are supplementary angles because they add up to 180. I can have angles like, let's say, 45 degree and 135 degree. Now these two angles are supplementary angles because they add up to 180. So if I have x, then the other angle that is supposed to be supplementary to the x over here, so the supplement of x is going to be 180 minus x. Now the reason why it is 180 minus x is because if I do x plus 180 minus x, now when I add this, I'm supposed to get 180 because this will cancel this and I get 180 degree. So it means that these two angles over here are supplementary angles. So the supplementary angle of x, the supplementary angle of this is this. Just as the supplementary of 100 is 80, the supplementary of 45 is 135. The supplementary of x is 100 minus the x. And now it is saying that the x is a quarter. A quarter means 1 over 4. A quarter of its supplementary angle. So if I am to write that statement, it is supposed to be like this. So x is equal to, okay, so x is a quarter of its supplementary angle. So of its supplementary angle is this. So this is how you write it. Now this off over here is just multiplication. So it becomes this. So I get x is equal to 1 quarter of 180 minus x. So x is a quarter, so a quarter of its supplementary angle. So this is the supplementary angle. Then now all we need to do from here is to solve for x. We multiply both sides by 4. So I multiply this side by 4. I multiply this side by 4. Now this 4 cancel this 4. And I end up with this. So I have 4x is equal to 180 minus x. I move the negative x to the left hand side. I am going to get 5x is equal to 180. I divide both sides by 5. And I end up with x is equal to 36 degree. So the x in this case is 36 degree.